Student, continue the discussion. So, continue the problem for the multiplications of two matrices. Next one is, show that if one of the matrices 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 into another matrix is minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. But first we'll observe these two matrices. In both of the side, both are will be same matrix, but it's represented in their different order. Now in generally first matrix is denoted for A and second matrix is denoted for B. In their RHS is nothing but B into A. LHS is nothing but A into B. RHS is nothing but B into A. So we'll already know that AB is not equal to BA. Means multiplication of two matrices is non-commutative. Now like same condition will be proved. So in the first will left hand side means multiple of two matrices. So procedure of multiplication of two matrix means row with columns. In first row, get multiply their corresponding elements of first column and these solutions are get adding with each other. Now, first row, first column is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into 2 is 6. First row, first columns are get multiply their corresponding element and those solutions are get adding with each other. Similarly, first row, second column. First row, second column. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 3 into 3 is 9. First row, second column is completed. Again, first row, third column. First row, third column. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. Similarly, now we'll come to the second row. Second row, first column. Second row is get multiply the corresponding elements of the first column. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Plus 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 0 into 2 is 0. Again, second row, second column. Second row, second column. 0 into 1 is 0, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 0 into 3 is 0. Second row, second column is completed. Then second row, third column. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 4 is 0. Then third row, first column. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0. Again, third row, second column. Third row, second column. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 0 into 3 is 0. Then third row, third column. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 4 is 0. So similarly, in the right hand side, these two are also get multiplied. First row, first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 1 is 0. Similarly, first row, second column. First row, second column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 1 is 0. Then third row, first row, third column. First row, third column. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 0 is 0. Then we'll come to the second row. Second row, first column. 0 into 1 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Again, second row, second column. 0 into 2 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Then second row, third column, 0 into 3 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0, again 1 into 0 is 0. Then we will come to the third row. Third row, first column, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 0 is 0, 4 into 1 is 4. Then third row, second column, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 1 is 4. Similarly, third row, third column, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0. So then we'll get adding their corresponding elements of both of this side. In first one is minus 1 plus 0 plus 6 is nothing but 5. 1 plus into minus is minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 9 is 8. 0 plus 2 plus 12 is 14. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0. Last one is also 1. It's not equal to, in their RHS. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. 0 minus 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 4 plus 4 is 11. 6 plus 0 is 6. Now, comparing in both LHS and then RHS, their corresponding elements are not equal. Now, by the definition of equality of two matrices, corresponding elements will be equal. Such a matrix are called as equal matrix. But in these two matrices, each terms are not equal to each other. Therefore, the LHS is not equal to RHS. Next one, find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Now, first we'll a square. A square is nothing but a into a. A square is nothing but a into a. Means such a matrix is multiplied in 2 times, not for whole square. A square is not equal to a whole square. A square is nothing but a into a, means same matrix is multiplied in 2 times. That is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0 into, again in the same matrix, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. So these two are get multiplied in row with column wise. In first row, first column, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Again first row, second column, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then first row, third column, 2 into 1 is 2, 0 into 3 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. Similarly, second row, first column, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Second row, second column, 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Then second row, third column, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 3 is 3, plus 3 into 0 is 0. Similarly, in the third row, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 0 into 1 is 0. Third row, second column, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 0 into minus 1 is 0. Last one is third row, third column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 0 into 0 is 0. Let's simplify. 4 plus 1 is 5, 0 plus minus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. That is the solution of a square. Then, now first we'll observe the equation a square minus 5a plus 6i. So first we'll, what about their I? Now I is called the identity matrix, but what about the order of that matrix? Now A is one of the order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. Therefore, I is also consider the order of is nothing but 3 cross 3. Suppose A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, then I is also considered for 2 cross 2. So, order of the identity matrix is always depends on the order of the given matrix. After then, will be consider the equation a square minus 5a plus 6i. A square minus 5a plus 6i. So, first we'll a square. A square is nothing but 5 minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 5 into A. 5 into A means all the elements of the matrix A are multiplied by 5. All the elements of the matrix A are multiplied by 5. That is 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 1 is 5, again 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 3 is 15. In third row, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 5 into 0 is 0, plus 6i. So, I is an identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. 6i means all the elements of identities are multiplied by 6. That is 6 into 1 is 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. That is 6 into I. So, then these matrices are get either addition or the subtraction. Means in the first two matrices are subtracting with each other, then the resultant solutions are get adding with the third matrix. So, otherwise in all the three matrices are will be operating at a time, that is the corresponding elements are get either adding or the subtraction is according to the given symbols. So, first one is 5 minus 10 plus 6. 5 minus 10 plus 6. Similarly, second elements minus 1, minus 0, plus 0. Third one 2, minus 5, plus 0. Similarly, for the second row 9, minus 10, plus 0. Second element is minus 2, minus 5, plus 6. Third element is 5, minus 15, plus 0. Last one is 0, minus 5, plus 0 minus 1 minus into minus is plus 5 plus 0, last element is minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. Then 5 minus 10 is minus 5, minus 5 plus 6 is 1. Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 0 minus 5 plus 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. That is the solution of a square minus 5a plus 6. Next one. If a equals 102, 021, 203, then prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equal to 0. But if these types of problems are most important for the annual examination, so that is a 5 mark questions. So it's the most important questions. Now first we'll find a cube and a square. Now a square can be written as a into a. A into a. A means a is multiplied in 2 times is nothing but a square. A cube means a square into a. So elements are 102, 021, 203 into 102, 021, 203. So multiply the corresponding element. First row, first column. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. Again first row, second column. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Plus 2 into 0 is 0. First row, third column. 1 into 2 is 2. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 into 3 is 6. Similarly, second row. Second row, first column. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 2 is 2. Second row, second column. 0 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 0 is 0. Second row, third column. 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 1 into 3 is 3. Now come to the third row. Third row, first column. 2 into 1 is 2. 0 into 0 is 0. 3 into 2 is 6. Then third row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Plus 3 into 0 is 0. Third row, third column. 2 into 2 is 4. 0 into 1 is 0. 3 into 3 is 9. Get adding. 1 plus 5 is 4 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 6 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. 0. And 9 plus 4 is 13. That is a square. So next we'll a cube. So a cube can be written as a square into a or a into a square. So both are will be possible. A cube can be written as a square into a, otherwise a into a square. So now a square can be written as 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13 into. So A is 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. So again get multiplied with row and column wise. First row, first column. First row, first column. 5 into 1 is 5. 0 into 0 is 0. 8 into 2 is 16. Again first row, second column. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Plus 8 into 0 is 0. First row, third column. 5 into 2 is 10. 0 into 1 is 0. 8 into 3 is 24. Then we'll come to the second row. Second row, first column. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 into 0 is 0. 5 into 2 is 10. Again second row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into 0 is 0. Second row, third column. 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 4 into 1 is 4. Plus 5 into 3 is 15. Then we'll come to the third row. Third row, first column. 8 into 1 is 8. 0 into 0 is 0. 13 into 2, 26. Third row, second column. 8 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 13 into 0, 0. Then third row, third column. 8 into 2 is 16. 0 into 1 is 0. 13 into 3 is 39. So get adding. 5 plus 16, 21. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 10 plus 24 is 34. 10 plus 2 is 12. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 15 is 23. 26 plus 8 is 34. 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 39 plus 16 is 8 Consider in LHS of the given equation. In the given problem, now to prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. So now I already solved the solution of a cube, a square, and a is one of the given matrices. Therefore, I, where I is one of the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So a cube gottide, a square gottide, a is a given matrix and I is an identity matrix. Therefore, will be considered in LHS of the given equation a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i. Now, whatever the solution of a cube, a squares, a and I are get substitute in that equation. So, first we'll a cube. So, a cube is nothing but 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55 minus 6 into a square. And a square is nothing but 508, 245, 8013. That is the solution of a square. So, a square is get multiplied by 6. 6 in the elements multiply ಮಾಡಿ. That is 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 8 is 48. 6 into 2 is 12. 6 into 4 is 24. 6 into 5 is 30. Similarly, 6 into 8 is 48. 6 into 0 is 0. 13 into 6 is 17. That is 6 into a square. Third condition is 7a. So A is one of the given matrix. So if all the elements of the matrix A are multiplied by 7, that is 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 0 is 0, 7 into 2 is 14, again 7 into 0 is 0, 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 1 is 7, again 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 0, 7 into 3. That is 7a. Plus last term is 2i. So 2i means I is one of the identity matrix, it's multiplied by 2. So that is 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. But if all the matrices are, get substitute in the given equation. So first is elements of a cube. Second one is all the elements of a square are get multiplied by 6. Third one is all the elements of a are multiplied by 7. And last one is all the elements of I are multiplied by 2. So then we'll get simplify. But observe this condition. Some 4 different matrices are in the either addition or then subtraction. Therefore, each elements corresponding terms are get adding with each other. In the first elements are 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. First elements are 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Similarly, second elements are 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Third elements are 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Similarly, in second row 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. Second elements 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. Last elements are second row last element 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. Third row 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Second elements are 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Last one is 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. So get adding and subtracting their elements. 21 minus 30 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 7 is 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Otherwise, we will getting in all the positive terms get be adding with each other. 21 plus 7 is 29. Plus 2 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. 21 plus 7 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. Similarly, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Now it's also first will positive terms are get adding. 34 plus 14 is 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. 12 minus 12 0. 8 plus 14 plus 12. 8 plus 14 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 14 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. 23 plus 7. 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. 34 plus 14, 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 55 plus 21 is 76. 76 plus 2 is 78. 78 minus 78 is 0. So if all the elements of the matrix are 0, such a matrix is called as zero matrix. It's also denoted by O or 0. It's a terms of RHS. Therefore, now consider in their LHS. LHS is a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i. It will be equal to 0. That is one of the given statements. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.